We all know that brushing our teeth is an important part of maintaining good oral hygiene, but brushing correctly can make all the difference. I have a few tips to help you stay on top of your game. Whether it's electric or manual, be sure to use a brush that isn't too big for your mouth and can be easily handled too. And try to stick to soft bristles over hard bristles. They're easier on your teeth. I know it can be hard to find the time, but you should try to brush 2 to 3 times per day, making sure to spend a minimum of 2 minutes each time you brush. Be gentle with your teeth. It doesn't take much force to remove plaque, so just use enough to brush the bristles against your teeth, and even less if the brush is electric. Brushing too hard can wear away enamel, and we need that stuff. Take the time to be thorough when brushing. Missing surfaces can leave behind some harmful plaque or bacteria, so be sure to clean every surface of your teeth. And don't forget your tongue. When you've finished brushing, be sure to thoroughly rinse your brush under hot water. Then place it in an upright holder. This should help prevent the growth of bacteria. Finally, make sure to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. I know, it's easy to get attached, but a frayed, overused toothbrush is a less effective cleaning tool.